Every product begins with an idea, but turning an idea into a scalable digital experience requires strategy. We conduct stakeholder workshops, business goal alignment, UX audit process, competitor benchmarking, user interviews. Clear problem statement, our strategy, user personas, empathy maps, journey mapping, information architecture, flow diagrams. We design with clarity, not assumptions. Experience design, wireframes, interaction models, storyboarding, low fidelity testing, interface design, visual language, topography system, color psychology, accessibility standards, responsive framework, design system, audit and inventory, define design principles, create tokens, componentization, documentation, maintenance, usability testing, prototype testing, feedback loop, iteration cycles, developer handoff, dev mode, asset export, interaction specs, sprint collaboration, results, better clarity, higher conversions, improved satisfaction. To partner with us, contact Uxplore Agency LLCFZ. Like, share, subscribe to your channel to learn growth strategies.